Welcome back to FluentMindee. Today we're learning a very common idiom, under the weather.
Under the weather? That sounds funny. Does it mean someone is standing under rain or clouds?
Good guess, but no. Under the weather means feeling a little sick or not feeling well.
Ah, so if I feel tired, weak, or I have a small cold, I can say, I'm under the weather.
Exactly. For example, I'm feeling under the weather today.
That means I don't feel very well today.
Yes, this idiom is softer than saying I am sick. Sometimes you are not seriously sick, but your body does not feel normal. Maybe you feel tired, your head hurts, or your throat feels uncomfortable.
So it is useful when I feel a little sick but not very serious.
Correct. Let's learn the main pattern. Repeat after me. I'm feeling under the weather.
I'm feeling under the weather.
Great. Again, I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Nice. A bit means a little. So, I'm feeling a little under the weather means I'm feeling a little sick.
That sounds polite and natural.
Yes. Now let's look at some easy examples.
Okay, I'm ready.
Example 1. I'm under the weather, so I'll stay home tonight.
That means I feel sick, so I will not go out.
Example 2. Emma is under the weather today, so she is resting.
That means Emma does not feel well today.
Example 3. John sounded under the weather on the phone.
That means John's voice sounded weak or sick.
Perfect. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary connected to this idiom.
Yes, vocabulary helps me speak better.
First word, rest. Rest means to relax your body and stop working for a while.
Example, I need some rest.
Second word, weak. Weak means your body does not feel strong.
Example, I feel weak today.
Third phrase, take it easy. This means do not do too much, relax, and be careful.
Example, you should take it easy.
Excellent. If your friend is under the weather, you can say, you should take it easy and get some rest.
That sounds kind and natural.
Now let's practice a short conversation.
Let's do it.
Hey, Emma, are you okay? You look tired.
I'm a little under the weather today.
Oh no, you should take it easy and rest.
Thanks. I think I'll go home early.
Very good. This is a natural daily conversation.
I can use this at work, at school, or with friends.
Exactly. Before we continue, remember these 3 key sentences. I'm under the weather. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. You should take it easy.
I like those. They are simple and useful.
Great. Now that you know the basic meaning, let's continue with more real-life situations, common mistakes, and speaking practice.
Now let's use under the weather in more natural situations.
Great. I remember the meaning. It means feeling a little sick or not feeling well.
Exactly. Situation 1. Your friend asks, do you want to go out for dinner? But you feel a little sick. What can you say?
Sorry, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Can we go another day?
Excellent. That sounds polite and natural.
It is better than just saying, no, I am sick.
Yes. Situation 2. Your coworker asks, where is Sarah today? Sarah's not feeling well. What can you say?
Sarah's under the weather today, so she's resting at home.
Very good. Situation 3. You call your friend, and your friend's voice sounds weak. What can you say?
You sound a little under the weather. Are you okay?
Perfect. That sentence sounds caring and friendly.
I like that. It helps me show concern.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Okay, what's the first mistake?
Some learners say, I am under weather. That is incorrect. You need the word the. Say, I am under the weather.
Not under weather, say under the weather.
Correct. Another mistake is saying, I am under the weather very much. That sounds unnatural.
What should I say instead?
You can say, I'm feeling really under the weather today, or I'm feeling quite under the weather today.
So really and quite sound better than very much.
Exactly. Repeat after me. I'm feeling quite under the weather today.
I'm feeling quite under the weather today.
He's feeling really under the weather this morning.
He's feeling really under the weather this morning.
You sound a bit under the weather.
You sound a bit under the weather.
Great speaking practice. Now let's do one full conversation.
I'm ready.
Hi, Anna. Are you joining the study group today?
I don't think so. I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Oh no. Do you have a cold?
Maybe. I feel tired and my throat hurts a little.
You should take it easy and drink some warm tea.
Thanks. I'll rest today and join this time.
Excellent. This conversation is simple, useful, and natural.
I can use this in real life.
Yes, let's do a quick review. Under the weather means feeling a little sick or not feeling well.
Common sentence, I'm feeling under the weather today.
Softer sentence, I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Caring question, you sound a little under the weather. Are you okay?
Common mistake. Do not say under weather, say under the weather.
That is easy to remember.
Now your challenge. Write one sentence using under the weather in the comments.
For example, I'm feeling under the weather, so I need some rest.
Great example. You can also write, my friend is under the weather today.
And if you are under the weather, take it easy and get some rest.
If this lesson helped you, like this video, subscribe to FluentMindee, and keep practicing English every day. Thanks for watching FluentMindee. See you in the next lesson.